Trying to get this fire going again. Got the catalytic converter in place, the guard over it in place. Hopefully it draws air. The stack was clean, but it didn't seem to be drawing very well, even with, skipping the bypass. So hopefully it should work fine. Door's cracked to get some air going. It's not real cold outside. It's snowing though. About 0 degrees. 0 degrees up here after having been in 40 below is not cold. Everything looks fine. Looking good. I did it the way I usually do it. I split some Burke Barch. Got a whole box of it over here. It's flammable stuff, man. It's got oil in it, actually. Like black oil in it. So the oil will burn even when the bark is wet. It's amazing. That's a good fire starter. Burns for a little while. And I've got my little split pieces on top and my bigger pieces, and it's taking off just fine. Anyway, that's it. I can't believe I had to do that. But what was weird was it wasn't the stack so much as the catalytic converter. I'm gonna have to get another one, I think, though. It's like that one is almost shot. But they say the ones with the what is it, the rare earth things with the bigger holes clogs up easier than these do. So I don't know. I'll just have to wait and see. Friend at church says the best thing to do is pull that catalytic converter out. I don't think that's gonna. It works because that thing is really, when you close that, is when it really starts getting hot. So I might try it eventually, but I don't think it's going to improve anything.